You've read the abstract, you've seen the clinical data. Now hear what our patients say. Quote, I have been taking Strongvivo for 3 months, and I am continually amazed at the changes I have noticed. I am a high-stress individual, and I have reduced my stress levels, at least doubled my activity. I feel more content and calm than I have in years. And I haven't gotten sick once since I started taking Strongvivo, in spite of allergy season. Do you know someone who could benefit from Strongvivo? Please help us spread the good news. Make it your goal to introduce one patient, one friend, or one colleague to Strongvivo today. Thank you.